But for now, we're just gonna woo woo. Hey guys, so the wig I have is from Myfirstwig again because that's who I trust. This wig is a 10-inch. It's an Indian hair bob haircut. It's a lace front. It's 160 density. It's a side part. This is my first time doing a side part. I don't do side parts because I just feel like I don't know how to do it. They look too biggish, but we're gonna see how this comes out. This is my first time wearing it. I washed it. I tried to pluck, but you know how my plucking skills are? Little to non-existent. Where's the comb at? Yeah, where's the part at? This is the part right here. And I probably should have plucked a little bit more, huh? And also it's a short part. I don't know how many inches this is, like maybe 4. I don't know, but I'm used to like 5. Cause the deeper the part, the realer it looks. The shorter the part. You're playing around with yourself. You're playing at this point. Woo! I hope that this comes out right. So I'm not even gonna lie, bitch. I decided to do this at the last minute. And I'm rushing now because I really gotta go somewhere. I'm going out to dinner with my sister and her godbrother. And this hairline looks very, very circular, like a hat. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. If I need to make it a middle part, I'm gonna make it a middle part. But we're gonna see. So how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna make it look real, guys? How are we gonna make it look real? Like, am I gonna have to do baby hair? No. All right. We're gonna get it together. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. It's looking crazy right now. Do I need to pluck it? Pluck this some more? All right. I try to pluck my hairline. Like, I feel like that's the reason why it looks like that. It looks crazy. So what I did was I tried to pluck, because the thing is, it is my edges, and I tried to pluck my edges to make it look more realistic, and I think I did it looks better. Over here too, I plucked, it looks better, but we're gonna see at the end of this video. try to do my brows lighter, but that don't be working out. I think it's because I have none, so it's like it doesn't look right, or like I have bald spots, and when I be trying to draw strokes and stuff, it does not look right. It looks crazy. So I don't be wanting to have this harsh brow. You know, I don't think it's so harsh. I still think it looks nice. But you know, like a more natural look. A more natural look is just me with no brows. And I'm good. I look crazy with no brows. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. How do I look? Like, I never like to do too much, but oh, it's kind of okay. I know I have to do the hairline. Over, but for now we're just gonna woo-hoo. And you know my iron trick is what I'm gonna do. It's looking okay though. Wow. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I'm just waiting for my iron to heat up so I can do that. And I gotta, concealer time. Tell me how it looks, because I feel like it looks alright. What's my name? I feel like my eyebrows need to be thinned out. Hold on. It looks a little wiggish. But I know if I do this hairline, if I thin it out, it will look so nice. I'm not done. And my eyebrows maybe, it's too harsh. This is how I tone down my brows in the beginning. Because you don't want it to look like just like a highlighter or marker. You want it to fade into it. Okay, I think that's good. Okay guys, so this is the look. I wanted to do a giveaway because the amount of support that I've been receiving has been astronomical, and I get teary-eyed every time I think about it. The amount of people that support me with nothing to gain. I wanted to show my appreciation, and I do a little giveaway. So these are the rules. This is a 10,000 follower, because I reached 10,000 followers on Instagram, and that is huge for me because this is a 10,000 follower giveaway. It will be $100, not $10,000. 10,000 follower giveaway. So you have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and you also have to respond within a week of the day this video is posted. The question is, what was the reason I started this YouTube journey? If you like what you see, or if you don't like what you see, you can rate, comment, subscribe, either one. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.